So hello and welcome to the world of crypto. Looking at this chart, we had a significant sell-off on Ethereum. So what we have to activate is we have to make the red count here, the primary count now. The yellow support box did clearly not hold. That at least provides some clarity. So we're either in a bearish pattern and will break down straight away, or we are gonna find support in the red support area. Yeah. So we broke the trend line. For that purpose, those trend lines are always useful. However, they can be quite subjective, but in this case, it was clearly broken. The way this looks at the moment, looks to me this move down isn't finished yet. By the way, I will have to take the yellow count out. It is not useful anymore. Yeah. This move down did go, it's not, it did go below that wave too. We cannot keep it up anymore in that form. I'll think about if there is something else that I could add later, but for now I'm gonna go with, we had a wave A up here. We're now coming down in a B wave and we're gonna move up in C. That is the only other option that I could think about where we get some more serious upside potential here. Where we had here an A wave down in B, a B wave up in B, and we're now coming down in a C wave. And it makes sense that this currently is a C wave the way we're coming down. Could have a wave 1 down here, a wave 2, a wave 3, currently very strong. There should be a 4 and a 5. And if we go with this wave count, obviously this is the target area for ETH. Let me just put it on the chart again, just based on the Fibonacci retracements. So this is sitting between the 50% fib level roughly at 1190 and the 78.6 fib level at 1122. Will be interesting if we're already reacting here to the 38.2% fib level at 1214, 1215. But this would be quite early, and the way we're coming down here and the lack of any impulsive price action to the upside showing a reaction, it looks like we're going to go down a bit lower now that we broke the trend line and broke the yellow support area. And again, for that purpose, those support areas are very useful, because if they are broken, what you typically see, you see a very strong move, because they are relevant. They are relevant Fibonacci support areas. And if you're losing one of these, like in this case, you come down very, very strongly. And therefore, especially in the current environment, I think stop losses are absolutely essential, as long as you decide to buy really long term and put anything on your hardware wallet. Okay, so we've got the situation here that we have that A wave to the upside, the B wave down. Again, let's try to specify the target maybe a little bit further. We can go down and calculate the length of the C wave. Now, if we have an ABC here, the ideal target, it shows 1200. That would even be above the red support area. Now, the red support area is obviously based on the Fibonacci retracements based on the bigger picture. Here, the 1.618 extension would be an ideal target for a C wave in B, so A, B, C. We might get an initial reaction at 1200. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. So please be prepared for that and keep your eyes on the $1,200 level. But that will be interesting to see how that is going to play out. So I could expect a possible immediate reaction at that level, especially as we are most likely very much oversold now. On the 1 hour we are oversold, very low on the 1 hour RSI. Yeah, we haven't been that low on the hourly for over a week, nearly a couple of weeks. Yeah. Then we are on the 4 hour chart, nearly oversold. Yeah, very low, lower than on the Bitcoin chart. Yeah, we've nearly gone through the 30 level, which is the oversold range. So that'll be interesting. At some point here, we expect a reaction to the upside. The daily would still support further downside though, but also upside. So the daily, I would say, is quite neutral. But the MACD is certainly losing bullish momentum. So if this short-term upside potential is still gonna work out, or supposed to work out, it should really turn around here very shortly. Otherwise, we have a problem, and this could come down lower. So for me, like the last possibility really to turn around will be here, maybe already at 1200. I don't really believe in it, because this is coming down quite strongly. but in this red area, yeah. And then we could move up in a C wave, maybe close to the $1,500 area, but would then eventually come down. The problem with this chart is we're turning nearly onto bear mode here, because if we really get an ABC up here, then the next move down would most likely be impulsive, and there is a real risk that we're also going to drop below the 1,000 US dollar level for ETH. Okay, so but we don't know that until we really get there. Sometimes we do get surprises here, and maybe something more bullish is going to evolve from here. But this drop, the drop of this significance here overnight and just now is not good for any short-term upside potential, or for any scenario that the low for Ethereum might have been in already. Because for Ethereum, this is still very much possible that a low has been in already, that we're not going to see another low. For Bitcoin, I'm strongly leaning towards another low. Ethereum, in my opinion, would get away without making one. But the scenario that we currently see here, if this is indeed only an ABC, it will most likely come down afterwards and challenge the $1,000 level. And if we break that, yeah, then we could come down to 650 US dollars. I mean, we looked at Ethereum and Bitcoin in recent member live streams and analyzed the charts and compared the bear market patterns. And I think in both scenarios, for both Bitcoin and Ethereum, it strongly pointed towards one more low anyway. That was not based on the Elliott Wave analysis, that was based on other stuff, retracements and so on, bands and everything, support bands. But yeah, let's see. I mean, we are certainly not in an environment where we can say with full confidence that any lows have been made in the crypto market. And those sell-offs, which are, you know, profit taking into the rally, they are still frequent. So the bulls aren't as strong yet, or not that strong to really lead to a sustainable breakout here to the upside. So we need to see now, how does the price react to this support area. That's key, and I'll keep you updated. Okay, and that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership, and also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. There's additional content every day. And if you're interested, also check out the trading course we offer on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.